Hello all the warriors, this is Roy and welcome to another just for fun video. So this time we're gonna talk about the double suspensions. So let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see this is my car. I think most people saw that already. And then basically my car is doing like the regular, like normal way when we doing the suspension. Okay, just like a normal. Okay, and then of course there's another one is I did it last year when I go LA to join their uncut tune class. So I create the uncut suspension, so there's no cutting suspension. Okay, so of course I haven't put the grease yet, so it's moving pretty fast. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about today the double suspensions. So this is the original idea. Seems like months and a half ago. Then I was thinking, is there any other way I can do the suspensions and make it the moving distance? The moving distance is like much more and better, and it's easy for us if our car landing, it can help a lot. So here was the first idea is like still we're doing the regular suspension, and then on top of that I'm using this chassis. Okay, so doing the suspension is basically, I think that's 4.5 years ago, there was the first generation of the suspension. It just came out, and it's using that chassis, and to make the top is can move, like if you see here, it can move. Okay, it's basically just using the spring and hold the top part and make this whole pieces can go up and close. And that was like 4 years ago. That's the first generation of the suspensions, and that was like when I first started suspensions. And then I was doing a suspension just like this, and then as you can see this one, okay, and still also have the regular suspensions. Okay, and that was like I think I made this like 3 weeks ago, I think. And then after that, one day I was looking on the Facebook, and I see there's one pretty good player, and he's making his version of the double suspensions. I think like he's from Hong Kong, and I've seen his video. Of course I'm not copyist, because the way I'm doing and he's doing is different, but he just make me recognize something is like this chassis back. Like, see this, because he's using this chassis, but the way we are doing is totally different. So what I'm doing is I using this chassis again, and to make the other version, and which means like this one at the front, and it's basically doing the same thing, and also is like this. Okay, so that's the suspensions that I made it right now, but this is not the final decision. There's still something I think I can make it even better, but now I'm still working on that. So that's why today there's just a make for fun video. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you the drop test and see how it works when it's landing, because so far right now, because you guys know what's going on, the situation right now, so I'm not be able to go to the arena and test the car, but I will guarantee I will, once the situation is getting better, I would definitely test the car for you. Alright, so here I'm gonna show you the video about the drop test, and also they will explain a little bit about how it works. Alright, okay, so here you can see that video. Basically the car is landing, is not straight, it's landing one side first, and you can see here, and this side is going up, okay, and this side is going down, and then the chassis going back. So it's basically how you soft the impact if your car is not jumping straight. And for the next video, I'm thinking I can open this and show you guys what's inside and how I make this double suspension. If you interested in it, about this double suspension, please hit the like button. And if I can get the totally, because you guys know I have doing the Chinese version and English version of the video, if I can totally get 500 likes from both video total together, about 500 likes, I would definitely open it and show you guys how it works. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.